What is affiliate marketing? 5 things you should know about affiliate marketing. Please like this video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Rubina, for more videos. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Here are 5 things you should know about affiliate marketing. 1. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's products and earning a commission for each sale made as a result of your marketing efforts. 2. To participate in affiliate marketing, you need to join an affiliate program and choose the products you want to promote. You will then be given a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the products. 3. It is important to choose products that are relevant to your target audience and that you believe in. This will make it easier for you to promote the products and convince your audience to make a purchase. 4. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is that you only get paid when you generate a sale. This means you don't have to worry about carrying inventory or dealing with customer service issues. 5. Successful affiliate marketing requires a good website or social media presence, as well as a solid understanding of how to reach and engage your audience. It also requires patience, as it can take time to build up a sufficient customer base. Thanks for watching.